Hi there, this is Catherine here. Welcome to the Opal System review. This product is about how to use your YouTube ads to sell high-ticket items. Stick around with me till the end of the video and I will guide you on how to access my exclusive custom bonuses that you cannot find in other reviews. Let's get into the review. Should you buy the product, you will come into this members area. There will be an introduction from Jonah Armstrong himself, the creator of the Opal System, as well as the well-known and successful affiliate marketers who will give you an overview of the product. Then you'll come to this Opal MOF walkthrough. Jonah's business partner Zishan, he will show you how to use the software page generator to create the campaigns. Here you can click on to the access to the MOF app, and it will take you to the actual page generator itself, and he will guide you as to how to do each of these steps. The resources menu, you will get a list of the YouTube ads where Jonah will guide you on how to use them in the advanced training. In the advanced training, Jonah will guide you on how to get the free voucher that you can use for your ads campaign, and he will teach you how to carry out your campaigns with a step-by-step video guide. Here you can access the vendors' bonuses. First one will be Jonah YouTube ads course, and the second one will be $90 free ad spend. The third one will be the Jonah's Bing ads course. Then there will be upgrades. Upgrade number one will be is the Opal Pro. This upgrade will give you additional 2 traffic software where you can unlock the unlimited video searches with this software that will meet all your traffic needs. This upgrade, Jonah will give you 10 proven commission generating campaigns that earns him over $75,000. And it comes with email swipes, bonus pages, and bonuses and review video. Upgrade number 3 is the Mega Bundle, where you'll be given the license right to sell JavaScript commissions bot, Insurgency, as well as Gemini as your own product, and you can keep all the 100% commissions throughout the funnel. Upgrade number 4 will be the license to sell the Opal System as your own product, and again pocket the commissions throughout the funnel. Should you decide to buy this product under my link, do click on to the link at the description below and you will come to the bonus page. Should you decide to buy the product, do click on to any of these yellow buttons here, which will take you to the sales page. In this sales page, you will get more information about the product, of its features, as well as the benefits. It will also share with you the statistics and testimonial of those who have purchased the product. Now, the prices and upsells, which I have shared with you earlier. These are some of the key benefits. And should you decide to buy this product under my link, you'll be getting some of my exclusive custom bonuses. Bonus number 1 will be how to optimize your video ads for top social media sites. Bonus number 3 will be my 8 tips to exponentially increase your conversion rate with Google Ads. Bonus number 3 will be how to get more leads with 10 out-of-the-box marketing ideas. Bonus number 4 will be how to improve the quality of your Google Ads and earn more money. And bonus number 5 will be the free access to all bonuses from the vendor. Let's recap as to what you will get in buying this product, the Opal System. You will get a brand new Opal app, software and income system, pre-approval for $599 payout offer, beyond the basic profit training, 3 bonuses, exclusive money accelerator bonus, and 365-day money back guarantee. And they are very confident that you will get results. If not, they will pay you back for $300. All these valued at over $12,000, plus my 4 bonuses, which you can get only one time at $17. So this is one product that you should consider buying for its passive and recurring income. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you at the next review. Thanks. Bye.